Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who don't know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I'm going to be following along with Shannon Coral's makeup look. Her green holographic-ish eye makeup tutorial where she is using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism Palette and Subculture Palette. I don't have the Subculture, but I have the Retro Love Bad Habit dupe that we're going to use today. So I'm going to go ahead, let you know I am watching her on my Kindle, so you will hear it. I am hopefully going to be able to insert the video so you can see what she's doing while I'm doing it into this video. Well, we're going to go ahead and get started. Super excited. So I'm going to start the video. I did skip a little bit ahead because she's talking about her giveaway and I wanted to jump right into the tutorial. I have stuff all over the place, so we're going to go ahead and get started.
Maybelline Matte and Poreless right here.
She's
and
doing the Maybelline Matte and Poreless.
This Temp 2 highlighting.
I don't have the highlighting thing, but I am going to be mixing a little bit of this in because this right now is way too dark.
So I'm going to put a little bit of this
I am not tanned enough
to add a little bit of glow because this is matte. It is a little light for me, which is okay.
Mine's a little dark for me.
My face up a little bit.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to use a little bit of this on the back of my hand.
Same.
And then I'm going to use a little bit of this. I have this. And maybe a drop of this or something, I don't know.
A couple drops of that. And then I'm going to take my finger and mix it. Because I'll just apply it with my finger.
I'll mix it in.
Same, mixing it in.
If you hear a noise, I apologize. It's my cat. It's being loud over
If you hear a noise, it's probably my dog.
Get out of the blinds. Here we go.
Not the best color match.
This is enough.
But we're going to live with it today.
Foundation, I think so.
Oh, I know I have more than enough foundation. I'll take it down my neck because I don't think it's going to match.
I've been seeing a lot of you guys wearing the Cover FX setting spray you guys got in your BoxyCharm. And you guys have been looking really nice.
That's what she's talking about.
So nice.
Well, good news, Shannon. I will be using that today.
I figured since Christmas and then I had to get things for the giveaway and everything else, I just figured I'd cancel it for a couple of months and
wipe
do it
some
after
stuff
Christmas.
off. Ooh, I have an oval brush. I haven't used this in a while. Oh, now she's speeding up her video, so. Erasing her sped up video to see if I can finish applying my foundation. Shannon, what are you doing? Wait, what?
Okay, now I'm just going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me.
Hold your roll for a minute. She just went ahead and like set her eyes and everything, and I am still, I'm still applying my foundation here and making sure it's all blended. Okay? Okay! So she applied some concealer to her eyelids. I'm just going to use my Maybelline Fit Me because this is what she normally uses, but no, today she switched it up. That's fine. My tablet keeps turning like on and off and it's driving me crazy. Okay. So now I can play it because now we're going to set it. Setting it with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm going to use my Coty Airspun.
Oh my god. What?
And I'm using a much smaller brush than she is using. That is for sure.
Okay, so I'm just going to be going into Unity in the Prism Palette, which is this color right here.
Going into Unity.
I'm just going to be going into my crease with that as a transition.
Unity right there. She's going into her crease with it. Take a brush.
It's funny, it looks more beigey in the palette, but then when you put it on, it looks more yellow.
It does look more yellow when you put it on, I agree. Maybe it's the foundation and the powder. That's interesting.
I do believe I heard somebody say that it comes off yellow on the eyelid instead of what it looks like. As you guys can see, it doesn't look yellow. It looks like a creamy beigey color. Like,
I agree, Shannon. It doesn't look
anyway,
yellow.
that's alright. Maybe it'll come out better than I thought. Who knows? Okay, so the next color I'm going to be going into is this one right here. It's called New Wave, and that one is in the Subculture palette.
So I don't have that.
You guys, I barely put any
into Rebel
eyeshadow on that brush, and I even tapped it off, and there's still pigment. That is one thing that is so true about this Subculture palette. Is very pigmented. Very pigmented. Okay, so I'm going to be taking my Royal & Langnickel BMX 130.
I have that brush.
And I'm going to take it into Axel, that's in the Subculture palette.
It would help if you would show me the color.
And I'm taking it first in the corner, just very lightly.
I have to kind of look and see what she's using. Okay, so it's probably the same. It's like green color, so it's Hippie in the Retro Love.
Okay guys, sorry about that. My son came home from work and he needed to talk to me, so I figured I would do my brows.
Well, that was nice that you did your brows.
Now where were we? Okay, so I was using Axis with my Royal & Langnickel BMX 430. This one is so pigmented, it's like...
I hope I'm using the right green. It's hard to tell.
It's intimidating.
Maybe it was Free Love.
So just be warned, you guys, be warned.
Or Mod. Let's go into this one and see. Oh, this is more it. Okay, it's Mod in the Retro Love.
Okay, so next I'm going to be going into Electric, which is this color right here. And this color is really like...
Ooh, iconic.
I don't know.
Okay. So now I need a flat brush.
Alright, and now I'm going to go into my Prism Palette, into this shade right here called Dimension.
Dimension!
And I'm just going to put it in the middle, between
In the
those
middle.
two shades.
Ooh, that is pretty.
It gives off somewhat of a holographic effect. I like it. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into Unity for a little bit. Just a tiny bit.
Tiny bit of
And
Unity.
blend out these edges. Seriously, you guys, you barely have to touch. I mean, I barely touch it. I just really, just barely touch it.
True.
Get some pigment on the brush.
You
It's
do just have
crazy.
to barely touch it.
So for all these people that are hitting pan, I don't know how they're doing it because I can see them hitting pan on this Electric. This one that I put on the inner V of my eyelid here. I can see them hitting pan on that one.
I think I need
but
more
the
of
rest
this.
them, you just barely touch them and you pick up pigment.
That is really pretty. I really like this. Not the exact same shades, but I will say that Retro Love
Just
palette is a
blending
good
out the
deal.
edges, make it look a little bit smoother here. Okay, so I'm just going to put some eyeliner in my waterline, and this is the L'Oreal Color Riche in the color 115. It's almost identical to Axis, so I'm just going to put this on my waterline.
Okay. I'm doing a black eyeliner because I don't have a liner the same color as Axis.
Okay, so now I'm just going to use a wipe underneath my eye to make sure that there's no product whatsoever. Before I put my concealer. Okay, so now it's concealer time.
Concealer time! I'm just going to use this. She's using a different concealer. And a lot of concealer. Okay. More than I normally would use. Blending it out here.
I'm going to set underneath my eye with my Maybelline Fit Me.
Dropping Coty Airspun. That happened.
Okay, so now I'm just going to go into Electric into my inner corner.
Electric into the inner corner. Is that green again? I think so.
And in the arch of my brow.
I don't know what color that is.
And then I'm going to go into Axis with this little brush right here.
And go under. Ooh, I'm just going to put, okay. I haven't done my brows yet,
into
but
the lash line.
we can give a little brow highlight. Why not? I don't know if it was with this shade or if it was with the
And I'm going to take a little bit of
shade, but
Unity.
we're going with the green. Okay, she just went with Access, which is probably the mod shade in this one. So I'm just going to take it on this brush.
I took it to the inner V of the waterline, and now I'm just going to take it and drag it underneath Axis. I like that. It's pretty.
I like it too.
So I'm just going to go off camera and do the other eye.
Same, gonna go off camera. I'll be right back. Okay, so just like she did, I did my eyebrows and everything.
The Maybelline Fit Me powder.
So
I'm going to set the rest of my face.
I need
in
mascara
I'm going to
though.
take this brush right here into Axis.
Nope, she's going back over her eyes.
Gently tap
I'm
it
gonna
in there.
put on some mascara, and I'm
And I'm
using the
gonna make a
Maybelline
wing.
Great Lash. Oh, she's gonna make a wing. And going into Access. Okay. I needed mascara. I'm sorry. I look funny. Okay, so I need an angled brush. Okay, I washed all my brushes and I put them in like a weird, I don't even know.
Can you see this?
Okay.
I'm only doing it on the outer portion of the eye. I'm not going to take it along the whole lash line. I just wanted to do it right there. Okay, so now I'm just going to set the rest of my face with my Real Techniques powder brush.
Kind of like a
Not that I really needed to, because this foundation dries down pretty good. And now I'm going into my IBY Highlight and Contour palette into this middle shade right here to do my contour.
Oh, she's contouring. I messed that up. I'm just fixing it. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and contour. I don't have the palette she has. I'm gonna use my
This is for you, Michelle.
Kat Von D one.
I know you love it so much. I'm just going to take a little bit of my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer because this foundation is a little light for me.
I got a bronze. I messed that side up.
Just bronze it up.
Trying to rush here.
Add a little bit here too.
Maybe if I use.
And now for some Rodeo Drive.
That worked. So I'm going to try the Wet n Wild palette to kind of bronze. And I'm going to use this giant fluffy brush. And we're going to bronze up my face a bit.
Okay, so I'm going to be going in with my Wet n Wild Pearlescent Pink blush.
I'm going to be using this Kokie Cosmetics blush, this pink in the middle.
It's not going to cover up my highlights, so it's alright.
And then I'm going to highlight with the Becca highlighter I have in Colourpop.
Taking this Wet n Wild setting spray.
She's so far ahead of me.
So somewhere along the way I popped off and I put some lashes on.
I'm not
And
putting
now I just
lashes
gotta
on
do
today.
The bottom lashes before I forget, because my last video I forgot to
I
put
wanna fix
mascara on
this.
my bottom lashes.
I don't really like the wing. No offense to
So
Shannon,
pay
but
attention,
it
Michelle,
just isn't
because
working
this
with
is
me.
what I do to get thicker eyelashes at the bottom.
Okay. So, there's that. I'm going to use the Cover FX spray for you, Shannon.
Well, first of all, my eyelashes on the bottom are really long. You wouldn't know it because they're so light. As you can see, they're very long.
I wish mine were that long on the bottom. She has really long
You
eyelashes.
can't even see them, but they're so light. That's why. I just run the tip of the mascara along the lashes like this.
I'm all over the place.
To coat it, and then I just go through them with the bristles.
Wow, her eyelashes are super long.
With my favorite mascara, Maybelline Great Lash.
Yep, Maybelline Great Lash. Woo woo!
I will always go back to it.
It's a good one.
Okay, and then I'm going to be using this Ofra Santa Ana Long Lasting Lipstick on my lips.
I don't have that. I think I'm going to go in with Monday by Colourpop because I really like this shade. And it's nothing like the one she's putting on, but we're going to go with it.
Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I really love the way it came out. I hope you guys
Me
enjoyed
too.
this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.
Bye, Shannon!
Bye.
Well, I think it turned out pretty good, especially for me not having the actual Subculture palette. I think it turned out great. I'm going to link Shannon's original video down below if you guys would like to check out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and for hanging out at my channel. I really appreciate every single one of my subscribers. And I did want to let you know that I will be doing another giveaway once I hit 800 subscribers. And I'm going to start purchasing those items, and I'll kind of show you the items that I'm going to be getting. I'm not purchasing anything until after my no-buy. I just want to let you know that. So I do have some ideas of what I want to get for that giveaway, and I will let you know. Well, thank you guys so much. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and go check out Shannon's channel. I'll have everything linked down below. Thanks again, and bye!